Hello, everybody. So Epicure USA is now here. Check it out. They make it so easy for you guys to look around and see what Epicure has to offer. So first things first, definitely have a look at the catalog because the catalog's pretty awesome. It is all online, so you don't even need a paper copy right away. You can make it larger, tinier, but check that out for sure because we have some amazing things. And if you want to shop overall, you just have to go up to shop, click on, food or cookware, depending on what you want to look at. And they have all of the categories here. A lot of people say, well, what should I start with? Like what do you suggest is good things to kind of start with? So I tell people that honestly depends on you, but I suggest starting with things that you use every day. You use every day or that you want to start to use. The meal kits is always a good place to start because it kind of offers everything for you in one kit. So I tell people, pick a theme. Is there a type of food you prefer? So let's say you like Italian food, because who does not like Italian food? Click on that and then it will actually tell you guys what is inside. And the nice thing is everything's in this one kit. So it can literally make 48 different meals with the average cost of $2.99 per person. So it's perfect if you're looking to start eating at home more, save money, save time, everything. But if you're kind of looking into other things too, I do always have a look at, I do suggest having a look at the pantry staples. So this is always a good place to start because there's nothing here you wouldn't use, right? Everybody puts garlic, onion in there, and these just make it so much healthier. Plus you don't have to buy like two or three different onions. Use half of one and then the other two have to go bad because you forgot them in the bottom of the fridge, which used to happen to me. I just buy this. It tastes exactly the same, you guys, and you don't have to worry about things going to waste. Turmeric and black pepper, you guys. Turmeric is so healthy for you. You need this. Trust me, it is so easy to put it on everything. I put pepper on everything. I don't know why, but I do, and this stuff is amazing. But we also have cookware, so check out the cookware. If you don't know where to start, these are good places to start for sure. And the nice thing is, you guys, is if you do decide that you want a little bit of everything, you should host a cooking event online. Super easy. Even if you don't want to necessarily host anything, just tell people about the website. If you have at least 4 people, purchase something, and if they purchase sales for minimum of $250, that's it. You can get all of this stuff pretty much for no extra cost. So let's just say that you were able to get 4 people together, they shopped the catalog, and they were able to spend altogether at least $250. That would give you about $25, maybe even $30 worth of stuff that you don't have to pay for. But even more exciting is you would get a item for half price. Anything you want for half price, at least one thing. If one of those people books a cooking class event also at the same time, then you can get 2 things for half off. So that's pretty awesome. So let's say you were looking at this kitchen collection. Yes, it's $199, but if you're able to get it for half off because you had people order, that's only about $100 for all of this, for $200 worth of free stuff. So it makes sense to get something that's a full collection because you basically get more for your money. Let's say you want to look at this category here. This you guys have to have. It's so easy to cook everything in here. They make it so easy. There's images, there's pictures on every single page. There's nothing worse than buying a cookbook and there's maybe a picture here and there. When I buy a cookbook, I want to see what it's going to look like, right? But there's a lot of cookbooks out there that don't offer pictures. This has pictures everywhere and it is amazing. Trust me, you will literally make everything, every single thing on every single page. It is that easy. It is that simple, and it's only $30. But as I said before, if you guys want to bring some people together, either at your home or for online, depending on how many sales you are able to get, you will get all of this stuff at no extra charge. So that's pretty awesome, right? And right now, actually, there's an extra $40 product credit, but that's only until September the 15th. So depending on when you watch this, but even if you watch this after September the 15th, this is still a good thing to do, because even if you don't really want to do any of the work per se, just talk to me so that I can set up your own referral link online. You would share that link with everybody and they just have to type in that link here. It would take them to your part of the website, and then they just literally have to add things to their cart. Here, I'll just kind of show you. Let's say you want to add this to the cart. You just have to click add. Let's say you want to add something else to your cart. Let's say you want this big collection, super awesome, add. And then when you're done, you just have to go up to your cart, which is funny. I'm not used to the US site because I'm in Canada, but that was easy. And then you just have to check out, and then it will ask you some info after that, and it gets shipped to you in about a week, like maximum. It could even be less than that. I know when I order, it's usually a week, which is pretty good, right? If you want to learn more about the company, we have everything here for you. This is just an amazing company. Even if you're not a part of this company, you will want to be a customer, because everything is made to save you time, save you so much money. You'll be able to have more time to enjoy other things, and your cooking will be amazing. You won't want to eat out. You will actually be excited to cook. You will be excited to eat. It is a win-win. So just kind of share Epicure with everybody, because like I said, you guys, it is a win-win. So thank you so much for watching. If you would like to order, I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom. Have a look and let me know if you have any questions.